but
All right, let's do it soon.
let's do it next time. That's fine because I wanted to play with this a little bit.
You bet.
I'm gonna do some content I think with it too. Are we recording?
We are.
We are recording. Good evening, everyone. Welcome back to Embrace the Storm podcast. I caught Jeremy Weens, my co-host, trying to mess with the camera just as we
Every
went
time.
live. Every time. As usual, we're moving things around in the studio, trying to get everything dialed in, adding new toys and things. And
Wait, this time it's you adding.
this
the
time
toys.
it's me.
I've been
This time
good.
it's me. We're adding new things, trying to get better.
We're actually setting up. We're trying to set up to do a live.
Yes.
And hopefully next time we're going to be able to do it.
So not this recording, but next recording that we do, we're hoping to go live, do a YouTube or an Instagram, maybe both.
Instagram. I don't know how to do YouTube. We can do both.
We can do both.
You can do YouTube. I'll
We'll
do
do both.
Instagram.
We'll do both. That's what's going on. Embrace the Storm podcast number 8. We are back, and Jeremy Weens got super fired up about this topic before we went on air, and